Our story begins in London, where the streets hide secrets waiting to be uncovered. In the late 19th century, during February, snow was falling heavily on a street in London. Two boys were walking along the street. The children, walking playfully, suddenly stopped, their mouths open in astonishment. Why? What did they see there? The steps of an old house were facing the street. Oh, there was the sound of feet on the steps. Fresh footprints without feet were going down the steps. But there was no man. They were clear human footprints. But how was it possible? Footprints without feet? An unbelievable truth. Did the children think a ghost was walking there? The children saw another strange wonder and they were shocked. The footprints entered the street and went forward. The children bravely followed them. Yet, was it possible for them to catch that person? Impossible. Finally, even the footprints vanished. Whose footprints were they after all? Let us go a little back in time to find out. Come, let us peep once into the hidden secrets of Griffin's past. Griffin was studying something seriously. It was about invisibility. He studied it deeply. Come, let us go back in time, then let us see the experiments he carried in the lab. Griffin was conducting experiments with many chemicals on invisibility. He carried out his research with great intensity. He achieved success. He was experimenting on himself. He was taking the drugs he discovered. Look, he became invisible. He became the invisible man. What was he going to do? Griffin was arguing with his landlord. Why? Because he asked Griffin to vacate the house. The landlord was very suspicious of Griffin's secret ways. Griffin got angry. Let us see what Griffin did. He turned into a hollow man, behaving like a villain. He set fire to the house before escaping. While fleeing through the London streets, two children noticed his mysterious footprints. They tried to follow, but Griffin cleverly escaped. Thus, in the cold London streets, he wandered alone, searching desperately for shelter.